Peugeot alarms often trigger due to sensor malfunctions, environmental factors, or simple user errors. Start by identifying the source. Is it happening at a specific time or location? Check for obvious causes like heavy wind, nearby construction, or even pets inside the car. Common culprits include faulty shock, tilt, or ultrasonic sensors. These sensors can be inspected for damage. Battery issues, both in the key fob and the car itself, can also cause false alarms. Check and replace key fob batteries if needed. Use your key fob to unlock the car 3 times, which sometimes resets the system. An OBD2 scanner can reveal Peugeot-specific error codes, like U1000 for communication problems, offering further clues, though you may need to consult your vehicle manual to interpret these codes. Plug the scanner into the car's diagnostic port to check for codes. Once you've identified potential triggers, try resetting the alarm system. Manually reset sensor sensitivity by closing all doors and pressing the lock button on your key fob for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a chirp. For newer 2015 Plus models, the My Peugeot app allows for over-the-air sensitivity adjustments. You can also disconnect the car battery for 10 minutes to fully reset the system. Consider temporarily disabling volumetric protection ultrasonic sensors if pets are the issue, or reducing the shock sensor threshold via the app or a dealer tool. If these steps fail, consult a Peugeot dealer for ECU reprogramming. Remember, regularly cleaning sensors and replacing key fob batteries can prevent many false alarms. If your car is pre-2015, you can try recalibrating the sensors with a multimeter after replacing the battery in the fob.